Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 16 tutorial on a rewind effect. It gives a real cool looking effect, just like you've seen at the very beginning of this video. So here we have a slow motion video of an extreme skier, and we're going to apply a rewind effect to it. So first of all, let's copy this. Holding the control key down. Shrink this using time stretch. So we'll speed it up. Put this one up against it. It's not put back, it's going to be fast. Okay, so what we want to do now is right click on the track or the clip, and we're going to select reverse. Okay, so let's insert a video track. Insert my overlay. I'll put links in the description where you can get all these downloads from. So drag this to the first track. Make it the same length as the rewind clip. Now to make this visible, go to compositing mode. Select screen. Let's add a sound effect in there too. So play it back, something like this. So that's all you have to do to create a rewind effect in Vegas Pro 16. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.